Hey guys, in this short video, I'm going to discuss with you average function in Google Sheet. In this data, for example, if I want to see the average sale of the strawberry buckets for the whole month in different markets, so I will use the average function. How can I use this? Press is equal to, then average, and then start of bracket, then select the range. You want to calculate the average, close of bracket, and then press enter. So it will calculate the average for the market 1. So if I want to calculate the average for the market 2 and 3, just drag from the bottom and it will calculate the average value for rest of the markets as well. So this is a very simple function. You can calculate the average in every data. So hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. So I'll see you guys in next video.